How to save Snapchat video in gallery. To get started, first of all, open up the Snapchat application on your phone. You will then be taken to the camera screen on Snapchat. On this screen, go to the top left corner and tap on your profile. You can edit and view your profile information over here. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the settings icon. In the settings page, scroll down and go to Memories. Then, tap on the option Save button right here. From these three options, you need to select the option Memories and Camera Roll. Now, go back. Then tap on the option Autosave My Story Snaps. Once you're in, tap on this option to autosave to Memories. After that, go back and get to the Snapchat camera screen. Tap and hold the Capture button to record a video. Tap the Save button at the bottom left corner of your screen. Once it's saved, minimize the Snapchat application. And tap on Photos. Here, you can see that the video has been saved in your gallery.